Alright, y'all. About to pop some fireworks. Y'all thought I'm not gonna pop no fireworks. I got y'all stuff, bro. I got y'all stuff.
Fireworks. How do we turn out this thing?
Man, I need your chair.
Master, how do you turn this thing
Bruh.
on? Why are you asking me?
Right here. And then my big old head.
My seals in yours at first? No.
Say hello to the Easy E channel, the Lil D channel, and the other Easy E channel. And say hello to my channel. As you can see, my dad just working on the fireworks. So, yeah. Dang. Y'all can't see. Because there's so many trees over there. Yeah, we got
It's
pics.
popping.
Hold on. Oh no, bro. Oh no, bro. Aliens. What that boy get aliens from? Yeah, we got a little helicopter. Yeah, we got the look at that over there. They could be our enemy. I don't need you. Not gonna become us. Enemy, little boy. They are our enemy. They are our enemy. Look at that. That's our enemy. They must stop. That's been going on for 2 hours straight. And we on that for yesterday. So 2 days straight, bro. They're just flexing, bro. Oh yeah, we got you. Oh. Tree, y'all. It go inside the tree. Oh! Oh, crap. But it almost touched Nehemiah. How it feel? Nehemiah got scared. Nehemiah got so scared. Yeah, boy. If y'all want to see me dunk this, dunk it. I can tell it, y'all. How about that one? Our other enemies. 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 That's our other enemies, buddy. Okay. I'm gonna slap you. Had to cut my eye back. Yes, Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm playing.
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What the Sigma? Skimmy, totally Grizz, y'all. So how y'all doing? Because we're just gonna have a nice time. Just watch some fireworks that my dad bought. Only cost $500. Easy price, right? Oh, I'm sorry. We need to say that. $20. Oh my God, here come the Android kid. This must be the big one because that my dad said, "Are you recording?" So I'll go sit down. Bro, bring the camera out. That camera out? No, that camera out.
Yeah, the camera watch. I'm gonna listen to the camera so you can see.
Don't. We got y'all too. We recording too. Yeah. We back off. The FBI agent looking at me. Bro, that little ass firework.
Oh my God!
If I jump, I swear I'm. We could. Yeah. What?
Hey, Eric. What's up? Hit him, bro. What's up? I said, what's up?
What's good? What's good? Say what's up to Easy E Cougar.
Say what's up.
Say what's up to Easy E Loser. Yeah, you better subscribe to Easy E 3539.
Easy E359. Easy E359.
Yeah, boy.
No.
You should have did it in not this field. You should have did it in other field or whatever. Other field. How many cars you got? 1, 2, 3. It kind of like in there. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, boy.
You got that? Go back! Oh, bro! Oh, shoot! Yo! It hit somebody! It went all the way to the street. Then my almost got hit for the second time. Oh, God. Bro, that was crazy. Some of them were all in the street.
But you went to the neighbor house.
I'm saying. I mean, all of the basketball court. Look at it.
No, it's not.
Oh.
It's not.
What kind of hole? It got a fire thing on them. It got a fire thing right there. A fire thing right there. What it's called? Oh, my mom got up. Oh, shoot. Then I got scared. Then I almost got hit. What happened? Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh, it's nice and nice. Oh, it's nice how you are. Not the girl. Say what's good, mom.
What's so missing? Where's Nehemiah?
He went inside because it almost the firework almost hit him.
Look, right, you see right there? He literally hit him.
They were all the way to the road. We ran all the way to the road.
I stayed here.
He almost hit us.
I stayed right here.
See,
I
look.
stayed right here.
This is stained like there's a whole back smart.
It hit right there. It hit everywhere.
It hit on the door.
Okay.
Yeah.
It almost hit Nehemiah for the second time.
Yeah. But first, I was like, no. It was coming towards me. I had to go.
Yeah, stop yapping.
Mama, I had to go next to the wall. It was dangerous. Yo, I stay here. If y'all want to make and learn, I'm just going to
Pretty sure this is the last one. This is the last one.
Mama, don't stay right there. Let fireworks go over there.
Trust me, she gonna run.
Trust me.
She gonna run.
Mama, there's somewhere else. The fireworks go over there.
No, it don't. No, I don't know if that about that one, but the other one did. I gonna see on my vlog. They might make the whole basketball shape, dang.
Mama left.
Look at this. Oh, they gone again. Where y'all going? Where y'all going? Go back. Come back. No, what the car coming. Go. Ah. They ran again. They got scared.
You didn't almost get hit.
Who's the vibe?
You okay?
I really
What's your rock rate? It scared you?
no. I really felt that stuff. I felt it.
You got too close.
I felt it.
That's why we just smoke.
It was so hot. I got to start sweating.
I see. You was nervous?
I got a batteries too.
Was you nervous?
I know.
But that was why it was so crazy. It almost hit me in the face.
Did it?
Yeah.
You gotta be careful.
And it was the second one.
You gotta be safe.
You see all my vlog?
You know what?
My vlog on YouTube.
Blocks.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. On his vlog, he ran away. Yeah.
It's good. He's out here.
Wait, is he getting some more?
Fireworks?
Wait, is he getting some more?
What
Oh
the-
my! Oh, that thing big. That thing huge. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, we'll get him.
No idea, Maya.
Oh, that thing ran. That thing huge, bro. Come back. Look at my grandmama truck. She not here. She going on vacation. My sister. She went on vacation. I'm in a nation. Like if y'all want to see me do another song. Where am I go? I knew we had a crack on it. We can take that thing fast. Fast as fruit, nigga. Where am I go? Oh crap! This could be huge, bro. Just
How's one?
What Noah?
right there. They want to hot. This is the last one.
Last one.
SWAT simulators. This is SWAT. This is a SWAT one. That's the SWAT one. That's huge.
Why?
This could be huge. You know when I go? I'm gonna go down there, bro. Where that van is, bro. I'm jumping, bro. Imagine if I fall. I'm cooked. Oh! Okay, that was good. Look at my mom.
I gotta stay safe.
Man, that was crazy, y'all. Like for more.